your experience here, please.
Okay. Back in early 2023,
Yes.
I had really bad knee pains and just couldn't walk, and I was scheduled to have
That's right, you were scheduled. We remember that phone call.
Right. Scheduled for knee surgery in August. August it was. Knee surgery was in April.
2023.
2023, and I said, no, I'm not going to do it. My hip hurts too much. So then they rescheduled me for hip surgery. And my husband kept getting these flyers in the paper that were saying, hey, you should give
Seabreeze Communication.
Yes, you know, I think you need to see this guy. And I was like, no.
Right.
And so I had decided that, all right, I'm going to listen to him for the first time. And I came here, and I couldn't walk up those stairs without pain.
I remember.
It was real pain, and
Yeah.
I started coming faithfully in September, I think it was. September?
You started in, September, over the summer. Yep.
Yeah, late August. And I'm telling you, I just got back from a trip from England,
Yes.
and I walked an average of 5 miles a day.
Wow, that's a lot
And my
of walking,
friends
yeah.
had seen me the year before,
Yes.
and they said, what did you do? And I
Oh,
said,
that is
"The
fantastic.
diet and the therapies and
Yep.
the office staff."
Neuropathy is a side effect from chemo,
Mm-hmm.
and that was in 2018, in the fall of 2018. So then last year, so 2020, so it was 2 years that I'd had the neuropathy. Then we got the ad in the paper, and my husband says, why don't we see if this guy can help you? So we came, and he did. I am so much better, it's unbelievable. I wasn't able to go to the grocery store without taking a cart, even if I was just picking up bananas or 1 or 2 things. I had to have a cart to help me walk through the stores. And when we went to the beach, we pretty much just stayed in our chair because I couldn't get up and walk in the sand. And they hurt bad. It was hard to even get dressed in the morning, trying to put my feet in my pant legs because my toes wouldn't operate right. And so I came here, and it was close to the end of the time when we were going to be going back home. So I got to meet everybody pretty good because I was here every day that they were open, and I did all the treatments. I did everything at home. And I did all of them up through summertime to where I ran out of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And so now I'm not doing any of that anymore, but they are still so much better, it's unbelievable. I mean, I walk the beach, I play golf 2-3 times a week. I can run in the grocery store without a golf cart, without a grocery cart. Yes. And my husband will say, I can't keep up with you anymore.
Oh, that's fantastic.
It's just so much better. It's wonderful.
Yeah.
It's well worth coming in and having the treatments and taking the additives or whatever, supplements.
Supplements, right.
And, just be faithful and do it because it will wake your nerves back up. It's wonderful. I mean, if you don't try to take care of yourself, nobody else is.
Knee problems. Do you remember how long ago that was?
God, it's got to be 3 years.
At least 3 years,
At least
I'm
3
thinking.
years, yeah.
Wow. So tell us how your life has been in the last 3 years. What have you been up to?
Well, after an adjustment by Dr. Davis and half a dozen treatments, I guess it was a dozen treatments, I kind of went on my own, and I've been real steady PEMF, and the cartilage in the knee has totally rebuilt, and my meniscus is at about 70%.
That's
And
fantastic.
It's amazing. I was biking up in Alaska this past winter, and
Wow.
then in the spring up in the foothills, and just no issues, no pain.
So how much are you biking? How would you say on an average day? How many miles do you go?
I probably do 15 to 20 on a
Whoa.
on a shot. Well, and I went from 280 down to I'm probably 210 today.
Wow.
That in itself is a huge, just being able to get back in shape. With a bad knee, it's
Right, because
It's
now
tough.
you're able to be active and you're out there
Correct.
doing what you love to do, riding that bike across country everywhere.
yeah, having a good time.
Wow. And I have to say, you look fantastic. I haven't seen you in probably maybe a year or two.
Right.
And you look fantastic. And you're just glowing.
Why? You enjoy life. If you got your health and your body and your knees,
Absolutely.
you enjoy your life.
So what would you tell other people out there who are suffering from knee pain?
You've got to come and see Dr. Davis. There is no point in struggling with an achy knee or a bone on bone like I had, bone on bone.
Right?
And it's the got to.
And you've got your life back.
You're missing your butt. You're missing the boat.
Absolutely. Well, thank you very much and keep on biking.
Yeah, you bet.
Because I noticed his sculpted jaw that I saw always like I really did. So, Ron, you want to just tell me a little bit about your experience? Like, since it's been a few months now, right? A couple months.
I don't know, 8 weeks.
Yeah,
somewhere around
seven or
there.
8 weeks.
Yeah.
So tell us what brought you in here, and you can just sum it up. What brought you in here, and then your experience so far.
My neuropathy is what really brought me here. I was getting scared of my
Right.
neuropathy condition, and then through the testing and that we,
Yeah.
the gut problem, so we attacked both of them, and my neuropathy is better. My walking's better. My balance is better. I still have some pins and needles naturally, but it's getting better all the time with the electric stimulation.
Mm-hmm.
I started at 235, and to me, weight loss wasn't something that I was here for.
Yeah.
But because of the diet change, which is the hardest thing I have, I went from 235, and I weighed myself last night. I'm down
Yeah.
to 198,
That's pretty
and I'm
impressive.
getting into a shell. I hope I don't get sick. I want not to live off of. But I feel remarkably better.
Yeah.
I feel
Absolutely.
good. I look forward to my egg yolk and bacon breakfast in the morning.
There you go. There you go.
Dinner's a little harder to do. I skip lunch a lot only because I get so busy. I don't care if I want to eat or not.
Yeah.
That's one of the things.
Well, that's what I was glad you're doing well.
I'd recommend it to anybody. Like I said, neuropathy is what's got me here,
Yeah.
and it's definitely better overall. I mean, it's still there. Naturally, and you said 9 months to a year
Yeah.
to get as good as we can get, whatever that is, and you
Right.
don't know that till you get there.
Absolutely.
So we'll see where it goes.
Good on you. Thanks for sharing.
Yeah.